Torpedo Pot grows your food for you with no human intervention. You don't have to grow your food anymore. It grows it for you. It grows it better than you could ever imagine. Ever imagine. Going back to that genetic inheritance that's in that plant is what Torpedo Pot does. Torpedo Pot allows your plant to reconnect with the soil. And the true colors and flavors and everything you want starts to come out. Torpedo Pot grows your food like no other system in the world. Trust Torpedo Pot. They'll get you.